what up? Let's enjoy the nature behind my house. Alright. So it's a wildlife conservation and we come and walk and just it's like right behind my house, literally like less than a mile. Less than like a little more than half a mile behind my home. The neighbors come, walk, fuck our dogs. Sit, look at the water, smoke, drink, whatever. Like it's right behind all of our homes. And it's very peaceful. It's beautiful. And if you walk 3 times around, you walk 2.5 miles. It's just nice, you know. That's what we do out here. There's someone with a dog now. Coming this way, you know. Always bring this. Like it's a smooth walk though. Smooth walk. No, not much stems and sticks and trees and twigs, whatever. But I just stumbled and I'm not even drinking. Hey, I am in flip-flops and socks. Can you see? Hey, welcome to my everything. Bang, bang. My name is Shy. Welcome to everything Shy. It's time to walk into the sun. We're walking into the sun. But I know that as long as I follow this, I know I'm going the right way. Just keep wrapping around. Just keep wrapping till you get right. Following it. You know what I mean? Sometimes you got to go over some more or come over some more. But it's a pretty smooth walk. Beautiful walk. Peaceful. I don't know if you can see the water here. Let me flip you. I don't know if you can see the water from here or not because I don't see good. But it's over there somewhere. I like the kid. Dang. Yeah. I love nature. From North Philly, born and raised. Where I was just at, you can actually see Philadelphia skyline. I took a still shot, got a photo for y'all. Yeah. Freaking gorge. See the wildlife out when you take, like it's wildlife conservation. Right behind my home. Gotta love it, man. Are you enjoying your walk with me? Huh? Are you enjoying your walk with me? Look, you can see down there. Let's flip. See between the trees. Is that water you can see or not? So I'm gonna keep you that way as I walk forward. To an awkward position holding my wrist this way, but we'll do it for a little bit here. Straighten you out there. Let's see what's on my left a little bit there. Oh, we got some sunshine, blue skies today. All right, it's turning, so I know I'm turning with it. Hello? The water is over to this side. And there's... My home is that way. You can hear my dog barking. I keep heard him while I was sitting on Facebook Live. Jack is his name. His name is Jack. I'm getting farther away from him though. But I still hear him barking. Alright, let's keep it moving. Hope you're enjoying this little nature hike with me. Yeah? And if you're not, better luck enjoying the next video. Alright. How gorgeous. 77 degrees. Something just flew into my upper lip. Thank God it didn't go into my mouth. Hello? Oh, it's freaking gorgeous, man. Beautiful day as well. Look at this. Oh, the sun is blinding me. Oh, I need to turn my head around at least. And get up some more. There's a picnic table if we haven't. Oh, I don't think we've passed the picnic table just yet. It's over here on this side. Sit and chill, look at the water down there. There's steps also where you can go down the steps. Go like stand on a little landing right at above the water and take pictures and things. Or just admire the view from up here or from there. But it's freaking gorge. I love it. This is right behind my house, right behind my home. Enjoy your day as I continue to enjoy mine.